I was aware of this other world, this old world that existed there, and that just was with me. I mean, I saw Yiddish Talkie at about 1969, at college, because there was a film teacher who showed us one, and this was like so um, funny to us, so astonishing to see this. And it was a terrible movie. It was a real shunned movie. It was Catskill Honeymoon, but there's a scene in it where, so it's one of the last Yiddish talkies ever made, and there's a scene where the a number of young women, they're singing a song about like hitching up to Monticello on Route 17, and it was so delightful because, of course, our school was on Route 17. We had to drive through Monticello, to get there. I mean, the whole thing was so crazy. So that I was immediately fascinated that this existed, and I was already very sympathetic to movies that were made outside of Hollywood. How did it get made? Who was it for? This, that, and the other. I mean, the whole thing was very interesting to me.